How to make city in Infinite Craft. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this you will have to bring earth on your board, and after that bring water on top of it, and after that it will create plant. Now you need to bring water on it and it will create swamp for you. Now you need to bring earth on top of it. After that you will see mud. Now you need to bring fire on top of it and it will create brick for you. After that you need to bring brick on top of it and it will create wall. Now you need to bring one more brick on it and it will create house for you. After that you need to bring house on top of it, it will create town. Now you need to bring town on top of it and it will create city. And this is how you will be able to create city in Infinite Craft. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.